In this video, I am going to show you how to export nutrition data from MacroFactor. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go and download the application if you don't have it downloaded. If you do, just go and enter it, then log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create your account of course. And this app is paid, first of all, you'll have to know that. And of course, they offer like 7 days free trial, but you'll have to pay, I guess, $1 or something like that. So keep that in mind. So now, how to export your nutrition data. So once you access the app, you can go, as example, to the dashboard. Example here. Here, as you can see, you'll find first of all your weekly nutrition. So, example, in this day I ate this much calories, this much of protein, this much of fats and calories. This example that I can get here, I'll be able to find everything that I need, of course, on a specific day. Like it might change from day to another. But now we would like to export those data or this data. So what I need to do is simply go to more basically here at the bottom right corner. Once you do so, you'll have to scroll down a little bit, and here you will find data export. So once you do so, here you can choose the time frame that you wanna export the data. So is it 7 days, is it 14 days, 30 month, this month, last month, or all time? Totally up to you. Once you do so, just go and click on export. This is of course if you want quick exports, which will, as you can see, include key metrics that you can share with your coach or friend, giving them a snapshot of your progress, expander, weight trend, scale, weight, calories, macro, your primary nutrition target. So you can see everything that you want. You can also export just whatever you want, as you can see. So calories example, body metrics example, weight trend as example. This is for metrics and analytics for library example, so your recipes, your history food, and others examples. So for fasting, notes, and a lot of other stuff. So just choose the one that you wanna export specifically, and you can simply, as an example, check in this option and click on export, and you'll be able to download it into your phone. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.